welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Today we'll be deep cleaning this kitchen. I'm starting here in the refrigerator. I'm going to remove all the content, all the items out the refrigerator, and then I'm going to remove all the shelving and get this wiped down and disinfected. I find it much easier to bring a bucket of water, hot soapy water, to the refrigerator as I'm cleaning instead of having to go back and forth to the sink. It just makes it so much easier. At this point, I'm just going through and completely wiping down the refrigerator, including the rubber and anything else that may be attached to it that, food particles could possibly settle in. And after that, I'm going to remove all the content out the freezer. My initial goal when I deep clean my kitchen is to hit areas I don't normally clean on a regular basis. So on top of my refrigerator, behind the refrigerator, pulling items out that I don't do on a daily basis is my whole goal. Here on the back of the refrigerator, it collects a lot of dust and debris. So I like to go through here periodically and just clean it out with just a simple toothbrush. It gets it right out, and then I'll go back and wipe down the refrigerator with a little bit of bleach spray. Because the refrigerator sits against the wall, a lot of dust and debris do collect here on the wall and the baseboard. So I like to take a simple toothbrush, some hot soapy water, and there I'm just scrubbing some of the content that was on the floor from under the refrigerator. And here I'm just taking a magic eraser and just hitting all the spots that gathered fingerprints or just dirt from the microwave and just daily living. At this point, I'm just going through, moving about the kitchen, wiping things down that I don't normally wipe down here. And I'm also going to hit and wipe down my stand mixer. It sits often and collects a lot of dust and debris as well. Now I'm just going to go through and give the shelving units a good wipe down with some hot soapy water, and then I'm going to add them back into the refrigerator. Just pure fun. I'm just having too much fun in here. Now I'm just going to remove all of the items out of my Lazy Susan and get that wiped down. Believe it or not, that is another place that collects a lot of dirt and debris from sitting under the bottles. Cooking right there, a lot of things fall in there. So I'm just going through and wiping it down. The toothbrush is like my little magic wand. It hits in so many places that I'm not able to hit. So I just recommend just using a toothbrush for all tiny little spots that you necessarily couldn't hit with your rag.
Is that for me?
Uh-huh. It's
filled it with my Valentine's candies, and I got some. Look at this. I'll never forget you. And then you have some candies. I filled it up with a couple candies. Yeah, and I got you.
Is that all for me?
Yeah, all it's for you. And I got you a nice little bag.
I like the bag. It's pretty.
You can reuse it and everything.
So all this candy is for me. You're not gonna try to eat it.
Better Fritos for you, but.
Well, thank you, Jordan.
Welcome.
You know what the best gift is? You can come help me clean. Well, thank you, Jordan.
Welcome.
You know what the best gift is? You can come help me clean. Oh, thank you.
Subscribe.
What did you say?
Subscribe.
As I go through and wipe all the bottles down, I am checking for the expiration date. And here is kind of a little important thing. It helps your refrigerator to stay dry by adding a little refrigerator baking soda. Oh, how we love our spices. So now I'm just going in the spice cabinet, giving that a good wipe down, removing all the bottles, cleaning the ones out that needed to be cleaned out at this point and refilled. All of these were expired. So this is one reason it's good to wipe down your seasonings and check your expiration dates. So I think our shelf time here in Germany lasts a little shorter than most because this stuff is imported. So I think a lot of our stuff expires way faster than if it wasn't stateside. I just want to acknowledge the tragedy that happened in Parkland, Florida. As I was recording this video, I just had to take a moment to send our love to anyone that was affected by this tragedy. This is another sad situation that we lost 17 beautiful individuals. I am just so over this. It's just really, really heartbreaking. I just wanted to take a moment to personally send our love, our condolences to anyone affected by this tragedy. And please, we have to do better. We have to. I want to say once again, I'm sorry for your loss. And let's just keep our prayers and stay together and stay humble as one another's. And thank you so very much for giving me a platform just to express my gratitude. And thank you so much. Well, I personally want to thank each and every last one of you for rocking out with me on this beautiful video. I hope this inspires you to deep clean and just hit some areas that you may not normally hit on a normal basis. I want to thank you once again, and I will speak to you guys very, very soon. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And please don't leave without giving me a big, big, big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And comment below. And until the next time, bye for now.